In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Invoice in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through creating a clean, accurate invoice from inside your CRM, and I'll share tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, open the inventory area. This is where all your sales documents live, including quotes, sales orders, and invoices. If inventory isn't immediately visible in your top navigation, look under the More menu or use the search bar to find it. Inside Inventory, go to Invoices. You'll land on a list of existing invoices. To make a new one, select Create Invoice. This opens a fresh form with all the key fields you'll complete. Enter a clear subject first. Use something your team and your customer will recognize, like a project name or a short description of what's being billed. Next, if you have a purchase order associated with this invoice, add it in the purchase order field. This links your invoice to the customer's PO and helps with reconciliation on both sides. If you don't have one, you can safely leave it blank. Set the invoice date. This typically defaults to today, but you can adjust it if you're backdating or scheduling. Then set the due date. Choose the date that matches your payment terms, net 15, net 30, or whatever your policy is. In the example, a mid-month date is selected, but always use the one that fits your agreement. If your organization tracks sales commissions, type the commission value in the provided field. Enter a fixed amount or a percentage, depending on how your setup is configured. Now assign the account name. Use the lookup to select the customer account you're billing. This ensures the invoice is tied to the right company record for reporting and follow-up. Then assign the contact name. Pick the specific person at that account who should receive or be associated with the invoice. This makes later communications like reminders much easier. Next, select the product name. Choose the product or service you're billing for from your catalog. When you select the item, details like SKU and pricing typically autofill based on your product setup. Take a moment to review the line information to make sure it matches what you sold. If your taxes, discounts, or currency are pre-configured, verify those values look correct as well. When everything looks good, click Save. Your invoice record is now created in Zoho CRM and ready for whatever comes next in your process, whether that's sending it to the customer, generating a PDF, or updating its status after payment. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.